Finally, the top chef knife is the Miyabi Chef Knife. Very few knife-making companies honor tradition and quality quite as well as Miyabi. Don't be deceived by the fact that they're owned by a German company. All of their blades are made in Seki City, the knife-making capital of Japan. They follow tried and tested blade forging traditions that ensure that each of their knives carries an exceptional standard of quality. This makes them a bigger player in the premium kitchen cutlery market. This knife boasts some impressive properties. It's made from SG2 stainless powder steel. Due to this composition, the blade comes with increased hardness and better cutting characteristics. When compared to the VG10 steel, this blade showed higher rust and corrosion resistance, superior edge retention, and less chipping. The SG2 microcarbide powder steel core is also protected by 100 layers of Damascus steel. This safeguards the center and improves the overall durability. We certainly don't mind the gorgeous wave-like Damascus pattern either. What's more, this chef's knife is also hand-honed using the traditional 3-step Honbazuki process to a 9.5 to 12 degree edge. It's one of the sharpest knives available today and can hold its edge for a long time. Even better, we found that the rounded birchwood handle fits perfectly into your hand. This handle is not made from a regular wood, but from a Karelian birch instead. In fact, due to its striking appearance, this is the same and only wood used to make Fabergé eggs. That shows you just how high the quality of this product really is. Finally, the Miyabi Chef's Knife features a full tang design, making it highly resistant to breakage while also improving the overall balance and control. So if you need an effective and high-quality chef's knife, look no further than the Miyabi. Its pros are, it is produced in Japan to an incredibly high standard. It has an outstandingly sharp blade that makes cutting chores a breeze. It has a beautiful natural wood handle, and it is perfectly balanced, so you can use it all day without an issue. However, like all thin, super sharp, hard-aged blades, it is more prone to chipping. The Miyabi Chef Knife is an impeccably high-performance chef's knife that glides through all manner of foods with ease. It's suitable for all professional chefs and cooking enthusiasts that want the best quality.